Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Meta Business Suite to Instagram ads for ROI. Full guide step by step clearly. Open Meta Business Suite on your computer or mobile device. Log in using your Facebook account credentials. Select the business account you want to manage. Navigate to the Settings section in the left-hand menu. Look for the Instagram tab in the Settings menu. Click on Connect Account under the Instagram section. You will be prompted to log into your Instagram account. Enter your Instagram username and password. Grant the necessary permissions for Meta Business Suite to access your Instagram account. Confirm the connection to link the two accounts. Return to the main dashboard of Meta Business Suite. Select Ads from the left-hand menu. Click on Create Ad to begin crafting a new ad. Choose your advertising objective based on your goals. Select your target audience parameters, including location, age, and interests. Design your ad by choosing images or videos that represent your brand. Craft compelling ad copy that resonates with your target audience. Set your budget for the advertisement campaign. Determine the schedule for when you want your ads to run. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click on Publish to launch your Instagram ad. Monitor the performance of your ad through the Analytics section in Meta Business Suite. Adjust your campaign as needed based on the performance metrics. Evaluate your return on investment over time to gauge the effectiveness of your ads. Make data-driven decisions for future campaigns to maximize ROI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.